I'm about to head out now. If you know me, you know I'm always running late, which is what's happening right now. I just want to show my outfit real quick. I have this Zara top, these mom jean shorts, clearly my favorite, and these like tie-up sandals. I also found this mask on Etsy from a black-owned business, so I'm gonna link them down below. I think it's so cute because it just matches my aesthetic. But yeah, I'm gonna meet you guys when I'm downtown or when I'm in Brooklyn, and yeah, let me get up. So I think I'm gonna head to Brooklyn now. Hope you guys can even hear me because it's so loud. But I think I'm done in Manhattan for now, so I think we're gonna go to Brooklyn Bridge or Brooklyn Bridge Park. I'm not sure yet, but I'll take you guys along anyways. So the power in the train just went out. And yeah, there's no power. Like, this is my look.
ISO Wendy's, where y'all from?
ISO Wendy's. Yeah. Live free, speak your piece. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. In these streets. Let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. We from the home of the biggie, people blowing they ciggies. And these girls going wild cause they flashing they this litty. Watch your steps cause these blocks be. We grew up on that bad boy in 96 with Diddy. Take a walk, come with me. Let me show you what really go down. Fiends on the corner, every hood got a deli or crowns. Cops pull us over, it don't matter if you black or you brown. City never sleeps, this the place that where hip hop was found. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. I look around as I'm viewing the city. Skyscrapers and bridges, bright lights, fast life, Manhattan living. Cross over downtown, welcome to the concrete. The Nets to Barclays, the Mets to Yankees. Ubers and yellow taxis. And while I'm fitted with some butters, we heard savvy when tight jeans was baggy. From JFK to LaGuardia, city that never sleeps, insomnia. Home of Junior Mafia, word. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. Brooklyn, BK all day, BK all day. We go hard, yeah, like so. Brooklyn, BK all day, BK all day. We go hard, yeah. Let peace, stress free, let it be. God got a bigger plan for you and me. Let peace, stress free, and let it be.
everyone, it's much later in the day and I just wanted to do an outro because I didn't get to. But before I do, I just really wanted to shout out one of my subscribers. Her name is Emma May, and she actually sent me a free graphic design this week that I seriously love so much. It's so beautiful. I'll put it on the screen, but it just meant so much to me because sometimes, like, you know, I'm making these videos and I'm putting so much work into editing them, and you know, I just wonder, like, will anyone even care that I'm putting these videos up? So her even sending me that design just showed me that there's someone out there that's really watching this. And if you watch one of my earlier videos, you remember me saying it took me like 5 or 6 years to make this channel, and I gave myself every reason not to. But whenever I get to interact with subscribers and actually talk to them and get to know them, and you know, have really meaningful interactions with them like I did with MMA, like, it just makes me remember why I started this and why I've always wanted to start this. And I truly enjoy making these videos. Like, it's so much fun, and I love you all for, like, everyone who watches them, likes them, comments on them. Like, it literally warms my heart so much. So I hope that you all really enjoyed this video. I post every Sunday at 3 p.m. and yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope everyone's taking care of their mental health, staying safe, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.